時間は大変混雑しておりますので、ご迷惑をおかけしておりますが、ご辛抱ございませんでしょうか。
しょうがないわね。もう少しだけ待ってあげる。
承知いたしました。すいませんでした。花ですか？もう一度かよ。ここお願いします。はい。お姉ちゃん、どうしたの？忙しいのに。今日お父さんのお見舞いに行ってきたよ。
どうなんだ？
今度の日曜日に退院する。
Waya bedene Edoya wa bedene wa bowie wa bavan wa bota da de worun waye apon salobwa o wa ya bokian o to lowe ya ibe yesu akoyo pon wa ya nore etemange tu sa tv wo kare na adobe debi na welele obokian o abokian ni wa ni ro wa ya to taba wa bokian o wa weso otima Richardson do bere o gari yen no sa na asun o enira ke bogo mo ke o no wa nya sa no gba wa weso bi man na we sikoko man to wedo la hofiam be ma we de ne eni Jesus Christ isa o wa ya we isa o abokan de ne ge te mo pa o ati sun ya no vie dokun rere mu okun rere onyo telephone na ulaba ya do memo ulaba ya do emu ya gbe begi wa we me wedun wari ho re gege wa ya yo oge no ya yi ni me ke ama e photo me ya kamera ya ni iwe ni ari go me gege wa gba le bamba na oge no e magie o a hacker, hackers have hacked my phone. So if they use my name and number to call you or beg you for money, please don't respond to them. They demand for money now. They say I'm in need of money now. They use my picture and my phone number. Please don't obey. It's all lies. God will bring them to justice. God will bring them to judgment. Ma togedo Edo. Now we're going to learn Edo language. Now Edo. Why Chibon Reuni Ado Edo? Ado Edo. Each time I put on my Edo and call everybody around. Okay, we ready? Go. Turn this Wegman. We Edo. Wegman. We Edo. We Wegman. In another Edo. Write it out in Edo language. Morning prayer. Morning prayer. How do you write that in Edo language? Morning prayer. Number 2, Saturday. Saturday. How do you write Saturday in Edo? Saturday. What is Saturday in Edo? 3, forgiveness. Forgiveness. What is forgiveness in Edo? Edo. Forgiveness. How do you write forgiveness in Edo? Morning prayer. Write that in Edo. Morning prayer. Number 2, Saturday. What's Saturday in Edo? Number 3, forgiveness. Forgiveness. How do you write that in Edo? Going. The Gege will be quick. We have 4 papers to do. Going Eva. Going Eha. Going Ena. Morning prayer. Oh, Saturday. Oh, forgiveness. Oh, you going in there. Going, sir. Going. Oh, going, gone. Oh. Very simple. Look up. Morning prayer. Erun Oghe. That's number 1. Erun Oghe. Morning prayer. Erun Oghe. Erun Oghe Biaka. Sane ira ma iwede ge makin. Makebe Biaka re ohun otagun ya. Ka oni makiye kedima. Okay. Number 2. Saturday. How do you say Saturday in Edo? Ede uzola nekiri. Ede uzola nekiri. Wetin we ede ken nekiri. Wa gbende ken nekiri we be. Ede ken nekiri, ede uzola nekiri. All right, number 3, forgiveness. Forgiveness in Edo is ayabo. Ayabo one. Forgiveness. Ayabo. Aigbe. Aigbe o. Wakimate brother Osude. Morning prayer. Eru Oghe. Gbe. Gbe. Saturday. There is all nekere. Gbe. Forgiveness. Iyabo. Okay, that one is ayabo. Not that I forgive. No. Ayabo. Forgiveness. And there's no arrow. No arrow here. Don't put any arrow here. That's Oyibo. Ayabo. Show me your total. Ogbe. Sunday work belay how. Chosa. Hey. Here. Eduzola ne gere. That's Saturday. Gay. Eduzola. Ede uzola ne kere. Chosa TV. Forgiveness. Ayabo. Okay, ayabo. Forgiveness. Erun Oghe. Okay. Morning prayer. Erun Oghe. Chosa work belay here. No magic. Ure o obokan o no magic. Koyo. Nani ka bo. Owa wo adoge debi. Owo wo. Baba gbon wa oma. Yan wa we gbon yan wa we gbese ojapo bo ni yan. Yama. O yamado. Obede o. Obede o. Ye ona eso se yakin na. Nde so. Obede o. Gayo. Gai tamu. So worship. Number 1, worship. How do you write worship in Edo? Worship. Worship. Okay? I didn't say worship in church or worship. You just say worship. Number 2, celebration or ceremony. How do you write that in Edo? Celebration or ceremony. Okay, write that in Edo. Number 3, offering. You give offering in church. When you go to church, they say you give offering. How do you write that in Edo? Offering. Worship. What is worship in Edo? Write it out. 2, celebration or ceremony. How do you write that in Edo? Celebration or ceremony. Number 3, offering. You say you give offering in church, give offering anywhere you go. How do you write it? Offering. What is offering? I get go. Anyone in Rowa. Wakweda, what do what they what we gbon wa na de. What we gbon wa o. Worship, celebration, ceremony, offering. Going owo. Going eva. Going ha. Going ene. Going ise. Going going oh going hey get going gone going gone do akoyo wa ba abe gie ta vie ba ta gie wa abe gie e bi na gbene na o de yen o ge do o de ma okay. Worship. Ugame. Right? Ugame. Ugi ami any. Ugame. Okay. Ceremony or celebration. Number 2. On your Oghe. 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 Edo. Ceremony ma. Oghe ma do. Oghe da. Oghe. Number 3. Offering. Offering is Oghe. No offering. Then I will tell you okma. Me sosi ma tell you okma. You okma na zero sosi. On your offering na zero sosi. You know I be ugame o ugame gbe ugye gbe you okma gbe hey ogbe ha gaga o yama eriwe gbe dedede o yowo etiosa arosa ogba ogogo afiangbe okay arosa ogba ogogo afiangbe. That is worship, okay, we yabo I don't get Debbie. Urome, okay. What they worship, Urome, all right. Urome, wait, my church, praise worship, Urome, okay. Ceremony Oghe, bye. Offering is all bye. Aye, Yamaho, in the magic. Oghe, bye, is all bye. You got my bye, huh? Okove. Arosa. Okay. Arosa we no nyawa. Wo afiangbe. Okay. Apobo ni bia do yan wa gbele o. Yi wa mi wa we ma wa gelegba okuto be ewuga. Abede o. Odun na. But yen rien gbe o. Right. Number 1, let us pray. Let us pray. Wagane. Ateta mi o. Ateta mi. Eso ma ho. Let us pray. Let us pray. We gbon at the end of I am going to church. Ukoven. I am going to church. Where you dog? Number 3, I am going to market. Teach your children to write a do. Teach your children to write a do. Teach your children to speak a do. Let us pray. What I have a do? How do you write that in the do? I am going to church. How do you write that in the do? Huh? A do. I'm going to church. Every day you say I'm going to church. Go to church. What I have a do? Number 3, I'm going to market. Mama said I'm going to market. Mommy said he's going to market. Right, I have a do. I get go. Going over. Going over. Oh. Going here. I get. Anyone you know what quick money? Write it down. So you have to teach your children. You have to teach your children. Going here. Going in there. Oh, okay. Oh, get. Going, sir. Going, okay. Going, okay. Going, gone. Okay. Let us pray. Wagiane erun. Look up. Wagiane erun. Prayer is erun. Not so. Let us pray. Wagiane erun. Number 2. I am going to church. Irie. Owa ugamen. Irie. Owa ugamen. There's no Benin word for church. So some people will say it's saucy. I can accept it. But there's no Benin word for church. The Benin word for church is Owa ugamen, the place of worship, the house of worship. Number 3, I am going to market. What is market, Nedo? Eki. I am going to market. Irie eki. You see, very simple. Okay, let's see those who got it. Osunde. Wagiane erun. Obey. I'm going to church. Irie owa iko. Owa iko. Okay. Assembly house. House of assembly. House of worship. Jehovah will tell you say kingdom house. Owa iko. Yeah, okay. I'll take it. But the proper word is owa ugamen. Number 3. I'm going to the market. Irie eki. Obey. Wagbe ha. Maya, yes, I've made the second one. Owiko, Owu Garden. Owu Garden. I don't that bit. Okay. Giele erun. Okay. Giele erun. Okay. Then Irie eki. Okay. Giele erun. Gayo, Debbie. Tell Wagia ne erun. If I so what I know when I want to Wagia le erun. Eita le erun. Ale. Eita le erun. Anna. Na wana adu ne. Na erun. Ne erun. Ale erun. Anna. Okungu won o to magba gbon eka. Irie eki ugbe in the man gives Wagialerun Uyaibo or Wagbekugbe Wagialerun Bekugbe Iri Ugame okay one to Mangwa Meka Iri Ugame okay Iri Owa Ugame Uyao the man gives Iri Eki Ugbe Owagbe. Why how woman gwagun kekan? That's very good. Oh. We are body ya. a drop fire na e wodi ka ya ma ya setting go wow awa o me do ona eki ke be owa e na eki ke owa tamo how much money was you when you get to the market you ask people how much money I want to buy gari or rice or yam or milk. You say how much? That means how much money do you sell it? Number 2, give me some. If you are eating sugar cane or you are eating sweet or something, somebody say give me some. Children always say that. They always say give me some. Right time we do. Number 3, come and take. I know Mama will always tell the children, come and take. The children will say, Mama, give me some. And Mama will say, come and take. Right time we do. Right time we do. How much money? In other words, how much you sell this? How much you sell it? How much? Okay. Number 2, give me some. If you are eating some pepper fruit or akara, I will say, give me some. Right time we do. Come and take. Yeah, no what. Come and take. I want to give you some. Come and take. Give me some. Then come and take. Yeah, like never do. That never do. Going over. Going over. Going Oh. Going Uko. Going say. Going. Go. Karakwa. Oyama. Oyama do. Okay, by time I do. I do. Sorry, what's a moon that? How much money? Well, we want to buy something. Say how much? Right time I do. Inigo. That's very simple. Inigo no. Then your son will say, your child will give me some. Fiame. Give me some. Fiame. All the sweet. When they take candy, they give me some. Fiame. I do with fiame or four. What for now? Or for ite. What can itao? What can you? Aweba. What can ba? Belema. What can lema? Lemigede. What can legede? Gede sabo. What can sabo? Is a begwa. What can gwa? A guangene. What can Osa. Osa no be me go. The big word train. Huh? Oko. Fiame. The third one is come and take. When a child say fiame, give me fiame, you say come and take. Dorie. Oh, in we go. Fiame. Dorie. Do I bay. Do choose a TV. Indigo. Bay. Where is some? Yeah, there's some. Don't there's some. What there now? Magwagmo. Any choose a TV. We are. Dorie some. Then Dorie or Dorie. Okay, go. Choose a Dorie. Oh, bay. Wow, that's good. No man gift. Indigo bay. Yes, man. Yes, man. Only had to say, Egmont Bang. Oh, yes, man. Oh, yeah, well, no man gift. Oh, yes, man. Rie. ROH. Fiamme Mountai Manado. Try. Why, where yes, man. Oh, man. Where yakere. Yes, man. Where? Lare Dorie. Lare Dorie. Well, lare doriye, you are correct. Come and take. But man, do where lare doriye. What you where lare doriye? I will always what I say because come and take lare doriye. Doriye is a short form. Doriye. Utayo. Anakina. Edomangi. Okay, Richard Sunday. Go back. Go no. Exactly. Go no back. Fiang man back. Mien, Dorier, come and take. Mien, okay. Take. Mien. Come and take. Dorier. Larry Dorier. Take. Mien. Good. Adore. Go back. Die man. Back. Dorier. Back. Arrow H. Arrow H. Edo. Kebe arrow kakan. Oghe Edo. La hawa awo eko. Arrow H. Rie. Ne rie. Edo di magba rie. Rie me osa rie me. Osa rie me osa rie me. Rie. Opo body we do. Wa ma. Wa ma donc yo keke wa gege o. Go betu. Go betu. Gege. Oh. I am hungry. Right, I do. I am hungry. When your child wants to tell you it's hungry, how do you say it in the do? I am hungry. Number 2, come and eat. Come and eat. Right, I do. Come and eat. Your child say I'm hungry. Then you tell your child, come and eat. Right, I do. How do you say it in the do? Thank you. When your child finishes eating, you say thank you. Thank you. Number 4, see you later. Oh, where the wife will not well, see you later. When your child finishes eating what you gave him, what do we say? He will just leave and say, see you later. See you later. Okay. See you later. By time I do. See you later. No. See you later. Okay. Double up. I am hungry. Come and eat. Thank you. See you later. Going, okay. Going, Eva. And I love her. Going, Eva. Yeah. Going, Eva. Going, ne. Aye. Going, ne. Go. Come on, away boy. Going, son. Going, son. See you later. By time I do. Going. Go. Go, no, go. Go. Okay, Taumu. Okay. I'm hungry. Oh, hi, baby. I am hungry. Oh, hi, baby. Number 2, come and eat. Eva. Number 2, Eva. Come and eat. Number 3, thank you. Uwesi. Thank you. Uwesi. If you want to say it in Edo properly, you say kada. That's what you say after eating. Say kada. You can emphasize it and say kada. For women who are adult women, they say a reggae boy. We said that before. Okay, we are talking about children now. When they say they are finished eating, you say, tell him to say kada. You say kada. Oh, thank you. We will say, all right. Number 4, see you later. That's how children say it. They say, I'll see you later. But Agamiegbe. Because where we talk about, your friend can tell you the same thing. I'll see you later. Agamiegbe. We will see ourselves later. On a backward. Who got it? Let's see. It's also the Oha Baby. Oha Eme. Okay. Come and eat. Dorie if I hi. Thank you. Uru I say Uru Mami the same problem with ROH. It's not Uru I say Uru arrow only arrow. Okay. Uru Urese. Or you can say Kada. That's good. So the bell. Okay, Bazekwe. Okay, bye bye. Okay, Bazekwe. We'll see you later. Bazekwe. Okay, Bazekwe. Okay, Bazekwe. Okay, Bazekwe. See you later. I'm a bit. See you later. I'm a bit. Bye bye is also okay, Bazekwe. Obey. Newborn well Sunday. All right. I don't get that be. Hey. Oh, work baby. They not even work baby. I don't be my boy. Well, I know have a man, no. Work baby. I need to have a party in a work baby one. On the way, I will turn out. Don't hear by you, Bayo, Debbie. Bay, Urasu, Bayo. What be how? Who have a mumble hammer by when I will hear our baby. Yeah, maybe they have more hammer. Okay, no man gives. Oh, God, baby. Okay, yeah, well, oh, hi, baby. There. Oh, God, okay. Dori e bae wa gbon kugbe o. Dori e bae gbon kugbe. One word. It's a sentence. That's good. Dori e bae. Thank you. Uwese. Uwese. Good. Bye bye. See you later. Okay, Vogazekpe. Okay. You can say okay Vogazekpe or Agamiegbe. Okay, Vogazekpe or Agamiegbe. That's good. Correct. I don't get that. Where akaba bookpe. Okay, you will better with your kada bookpe. Akaba, akada bookpe. In the market. Okay, oh yeah. Wabiu, Yedo, man. Kubania. Well, so they yag by or by now. Well, no, they na. Wahamba, no man, a Debbie, no monkey, a doggy Debbie, Cherusunde, Chosa TV. I know. Yan ni wo se. Eni wa ni lo wa. Wa be wa what to touch. Wa se. E ya de rie. In my way, do yara he said, the WD, he said, no matter I can do, but he said, or buy a wine already. Or a toy baby kitty. A dear gamma, or I gamma, or your poem to get. Yeah, or by little boy fool, he said. It was by little boy fool, he said. Or by a toy, or way, he said. Or we ain't do what we Papa do, what we do. Obete ya do. Ya kwa ewu gana. Ogima agosa. Obaba. Obaba.